Hello and welcome to Page's Power. Today we are diving into Chapter 9 of The Power of Your Subconscious. Mine by Joseph Murphy. The chapter is titled, How to Use the Power of Your Subconscious for Wealth. Before we begin, I want to invite you to stay with me until the end of this video. I promise you, what you will hear today can change the way you think about money, wealth, and abundance forever. And if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to Page's Power for more inspiring chapters, motivation, and life-changing wisdom. Now let us begin. Money is not just paper or coins. It is energy. It is an idea in motion. And the truth is, your subconscious mind already holds the key to attracting the wealth you need. But here's the problem. Most people have negative ideas about money. They think money is hard to get, or that they don't deserve it, or that being wealthy is wrong. And when these negative beliefs are repeated again and again, the subconscious accepts them as truth. The result? Struggles, lack, and limitation. But the good news is this. You can reprogram your subconscious to attract abundance. Think of your subconscious mind like fertile soil. Whatever seeds you plant, it will grow. If you plant seeds of poverty thinking, you get lack. If you plant seeds of prosperity, you get abundance. So how do you start planting the right seeds? The answer is simple but powerful. You must tell your subconscious a new story about money. You must speak words of wealth. Imagine images of abundance and carry feelings of prosperity. Let me give you an example. Imagine two people. The first person always says, "I never have enough. Life is unfair. Money slips through my hands." The second person says, "Wealth is flowing into my life. Opportunities are everywhere. I am grateful for the money I receive and I welcome more." Now tell me, who do you think is programming their subconscious for success? Of course, the second person. Because thoughts become beliefs and beliefs shape your reality. One of the most powerful techniques in this chapter is affirmation. Joseph Murphy suggested using statements like, "I am wealthy. I am prosperous. Money flows to me freely, joyously, and endlessly." When you repeat these words daily, with faith and emotion, your subconscious begins to accept them. And once it accepts, life starts to rearrange itself in your favor. You may meet the right people, find the right opportunities, or receive unexpected financial blessings. But let me be clear, affirmations alone are not magic. They prepare your mind, but you must also take inspired action. When your subconscious believes you are wealthy, you act with confidence. You try new ideas. You make decisions boldly. You recognize opportunities that others miss. Wealth begins to flow because you are no longer blocking it with fear or doubt. Think of your subconscious as a magnet. The stronger the belief, the stronger the pull. If you believe deeply in scarcity, you attract problems. If you believe deeply in abundance, you attract solutions and wealth. The choice is yours. Now let us talk about a simple exercise you can practice tonight. Before going to bed, close your eyes and relax. Imagine holding a check with your name written on it for a large amount of money. Feel the happiness of receiving it. Feel the security, the relief, the joy. Say to yourself, "I am wealthy now. My subconscious mind is attracting all that I need." Fall asleep with these thoughts. What you impress on your mind before sleep has the greatest power. Another practice is gratitude. Every time you receive money, no matter how small, say thank you. Gratitude multiplies blessings. When you complain, you block the flow. But when you give thanks, you open the channels of abundance wider and wider. Friends, wealth is not about greed. It is about freedom. It is about having the resources to support your family, to live with dignity, and to give generously. Remember this truth. Money is good when it serves good purposes. Your subconscious does not judge money as good or bad. It only gives you what you believe. So choose wisely. Let me share a quick story. There was a man who always struggled financially. He worked hard, but money always ran away from him. Then he began repeating daily, "I am one with the infinite riches of my subconscious mind. I am supplied with everything I need." He visualized abundance and thanked God for it. Within a year, he had a promotion, new business opportunities, and financial stability. What changed? Not the economy, not his background, only his subconscious programming. And this is the lesson for all of us. Your wealth does not depend on where you were born, or how much education you have, or even the job you currently do. Your wealth begins inside you, in your mind. Change your inner belief and your outer life must change. So today I challenge you, stop saying, "I can't afford it." Start saying, "It is on the way." Stop saying, "I'm always broke." Start saying, "I am wealthy in every possible way." And watch how your subconscious begins to create new realities for you. Always remember, wealth is your birthright. Abundance is the natural state of the universe. There is no shortage of money, only shortage of belief. Let your subconscious mind know that you are ready to receive, and you will be amazed by the results. So my friends, do not let fear, doubt, or negative beliefs hold you back. You have the power within you to create the wealth you desire. Use it, believe it, live it. If you found this message helpful, make sure to listen again, take notes, and apply the exercises. And don't forget to subscribe to Pages. Power for more life-changing wisdom from this book and many others. Thank you for listening till the end. Keep believing, keep growing, and keep shining.